I am Professor Dr. Vivek Gupta, Senior Cardiologist, Delhi Apollo Hospital. I am going to tell you about AICD, which is Automatic Implantable Cardiac Defibrillator. Automatic Implantable Cardiac Defibrillator is a device for the prevention of sudden cardiac death. It is most underutilized device in the whole country or rather whole of the world. Many patients have the chances of sudden cardiac death because of ventricular tachycardia and fibrillation, especially जिनको पहले हार्ट अटैक हो चुका है या पहले उनका इंजेक्शन फ्रैक्शन लेस देन 35% है. This patient has got a dual problem. He also has a 6NS syndrome and EF low. So this device will be working as a pacemaker as well as AICD. I will just show you. Pause. Yes, on the patient is draped like this, and this is the area. Patient is fully conscious. ठीक है आप? नहीं sedated. We have done a conscious sedation, which is also a good strategy. Patient is allowed to sleep. So this is the area where we have to do a needle, and we'll go into the subclavian vein. Two such needles will go along with the sheath, and then once they are placed well inside the heart, one will go into right ventricle, other will go to right atrial appendage. We'll fix up, we'll make a small pocket, put the device, then stitch it, and then we'll come out. This is the small steps. Pause. Already I have done a puncture into the subclavian vein, and you can see the fluoro. We are already there. Fluoro school में zoom कर लीजिए. So you can see the fluoro, the wire is inside the vein and into the right ventricle. Okay. Pause. It has a bypass surgery done in 2015. Angioplasty to LAD done in 2021 and 18. He has got a saphenous vein graft to right coronary artery and to the obtuse marginal. Saphenous vein graft to obtuse marginal is fully patent, while right coronary artery has a stent recently done. Patient has associated 6NS syndrome, and he has already suffered from syncopial attacks. It was also noticed that he had a VT. Ejection fraction 35%. So we decided, rather than doing a pacemaker, which is otherwise required for the 6NS disease, we have decided to AICD, Automatic Implantable Cardiac Defibrillator, which is having also brady requirement. That means any patient who has a bradycardia, it is also working as a pacemaker, dual chamber pacemaker. So this is what is there. This patient is being given the benefit of prevention of sudden cardiac death along with the pacemaker, which is already there in the system. Thank you. So now we are pushing another wire. So we have two wires now. You can see the two wires will be used because it is dual chamber strategy. There are two wires now, which has gone subcutaneously into the subclavian vein. So now we will make a small space so that we can accommodate. We'll put the sheath through this, and we'll accommodate the pacemaker type of AICD. This is what it is. So this is the device. Show closely. This is actually one of the companies, Boston Scientific. There are many companies which are making it. You can see the two screws here, and these two leads will be fixed up here, and this will be placed in the pocket. Automatic Implantable Cardiac Defibrillator, I told you, is the most underutilized device. The classical indication for this is when you have a ischemic cardiomyopathy. That means heart functioning is poor, and you should be less than 35% ejection fraction on echo. These guidelines have come from various trials which have shown that the patients who have got a low ejection fraction are having a more risk of getting a fatal ventricular arrhythmia. What is fatal ventricular arrhythmia? Any ventricular arrhythmia. Ventricular arrhythmias can be defined as ventricular ectopics, non-sustained ventricular tachycardia, or ventral tachycardia. NSVT is the thing. The ventricular ectopics comes in 3 beats. Less than 3 beats is NSVT. When it goes more than 3, 4, 5, 6 beats, it is ventral tachycardia. But all the ventral tachycardia do not translate into ventricular fibrillation. When it goes like this and suddenly arrest, you have to give a DC shock. But DC shock is not possible to be given at home, in the train, while you're running, or you're watching TV. It can happen anytime in the patients who have got a low ejection fraction. This is the device which will be watching the myocardium. It will watch the heart all the time, while you're sleeping, while you're running, while you're eating, while you're doing anything else, swimming. It will watch. Whenever you have a cardiac arrest-like situation, the computer will sense it and it will give a shock. And a shock means any shock will normalize the rhythm to normal sinus rhythm. This is the beauty of this device. I will let you know further.
हो गया.
We are making the pocket now, and inside the pocket we'll slightly just push that device, and then we'll put the sheath. I will show you how the sheath and how the lead goes, because the lead has to be going into the right ventricle. जो लीड होगी, दो लीड है, राइट एट्रियल अपेंडिक्स में जाएगी, दूसरी राइट वेंट्रिकल में जाएगी. दोनों को स्क्रूइंग लीड है, कौन सी लीड है
सर? आरवी स्क्रूइंग है. सिंगल कॉइल स्क्रूइंग.
कौन सी है?
आरवी सिंगल कॉइल स्क्रूइंग सर. ये
So these are the leads actually, and this is नहीं, but screwing है या नॉन स्क्रूइंग?
स्क्रूइंग है सर.
दोनों
जी.
So we have two types of lead. One is with non-screwing, जो अपने आप अटैच हो जाती है. दूसरी screwing होती है. We have to screw it so that it goes and get fixed up in the ventricle and RA appendage. What we are doing is we are removing the wire and putting the actually pacemaker lead. We're putting the pacemaker lead in, and that will go into the Clavin vein and then into the right ventricle. We are now putting the lead which is coming from the top and placing it to the right ventricle. Apex. इधर देखो, मैं इसको दिखाइए. So this is a part of the AICD that we have to put two leads. Zoom करिए. Two leads. One lead goes into the right ventricle apex, and then will go to the right atrial appendage. This is the first one, the lead which will be screwed with the pacemaker. So you can see now that this is the device. We have the two leads. One is the RV, another is the right atrial appendage, and we have to be very careful to go so that it goes inside. And then if we tighten the screw, and then the same device, now the patient has already come into the pacing system. So this is the device, मेरे चेहरे दिखाइए. So this is the device now which will be now placed. Now दिखाइए. This will be placed in the pocket which we have made. We have assessed that these two leads are already there, and now with this system this will be going to the pocket, and then we'll stitch it. This is like a pacemaker. It's about 2.5 centimeter or 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter device, which looks, the pacemaker is much smaller. The pacemaker होता है, this is AICD plus pacemaker. When the pacemaker is there, it is smaller than this, almost half the size. The pocket जो बनाते हैं, which is below the clavicle, उसके अंदर डाल के stitch कर देते हैं. After about 7 days, the stitches they heal up, and the patient is having this device for the whole of the life. And I will show you on this. दिल्ली अपोलो हॉस्पिटल से अभी हमने जो दिखाया, we have shown you how we can put AICD. The advantage of AICD is actually the prevention of sudden cardiac death. In this patient, we are using this as a pacemaker because he has got sick sinus syndrome plus AV nodal block, both. He sustained a sinus arrest, and we had to do a temporary pacemaker implantation. And also he had a VT during the same time, so we had to shock it. Ejection fraction is 35%. I want to show you the last part of this procedure. Come this side.
Okay.
Show the stitches you लगा रहे हैं. So this is the stitching which is being done. So we have closed. दिखाओ पास से. We have closed the pocket which we had created, and now it is, the whole thing has been stitched very well. You can see it. So again, summarizing the whole procedure, automatic implantable cardiac defibrillator is a procedure to prevent sudden cardiac death. Patients who have heart attack, जिनको हार्ट अटैक हो चुका होता है, उनका ejection fraction कम होता है, which is a pumping function of the heart. अगर less than 35% होता है, तो that is star indication to put AICD. AICD is just like a policeman to watch the heart. अगर हार्ट फिब्रेट करता है और रुक जाता है, वो शॉक देता है और हार्ट पेशेंट की जिंदगी वापस आ जाती है। पेसमेकर में क्या होता है, व्हेन यू हैव अ सिंपल पेसमेकर इट विल कीप ऑन pacing the heart, but it does not give shock. This AICD is having the pacemaker functions plus the shocking function, because this patient is very special because he has got already इनका bypass surgery 2015 हुआ था, then we had multiple stents. Either recently the graft में stent लगा, with saphenous vein graft stenting, and he also had a sinus arrest. He also had a VT, and therefore we are using this pacemaker device, AICD, as a pacemaker as well as shocking device. Thank you very much, Dr. Vigupta from Apollo Hospital. I tell all the physicians who are seeing the cardiac patient, if they have a low ejection fraction and they have an early history of heart attack, or if they have a history of cardiac arrest or DC shock requirement, they should always advise the patient to take up this device. This is like a policeman or Z plus security. I would say कि you have a security system where अगर हार्ट रुकता है तो वो वापस आ जाता है. It is a prevention of sudden cardiac death. It's a very important device. All patients of heart attack with a low ejection fraction should have it. There is always a doubt that ejection fraction अगर 45% किसी का है, उसको heart attack हो चुका है, तो should we do it or not? If you have a history on the Holter monitoring that you have a multiple VPCs coming or ventricular ectopics coming, and this is a gray zone area, it all depends upon the physician discretion and doctor's discretion, cardiologist decision, discussion with the family कि अगर ये मशीन लगा देंगे तो you may get benefit of preventing your sudden cardiac death, which is very common, especially you can see after COVID, lot of young people are having heart attacks. So be careful, and I would suggest that this guideline may be modified a little to include all the patients of heart attack who have a low ejection fraction, even if it is not 35%, even 40-45%. Cardiologist, Delhi Apollo Hospital, once again talking about heart attack, angina, AICD, pacemaker. Thank you very much. On 4 September 2025.